Hey, welcome to my product review. Here Albert for you, and right now I'm looking at this product. I just checked this one on the Warrior Plus platform, and this product is called Pinterest Buyer Traffic. Learn how to get unlimited free leads with this product. I was looking for a video demo, but I couldn't find anything. But what it says here, according to Alexa.com, Pinterest is currently 15 in the United States and 34 of the world for traffic volume. The site gets tremendous amount of traffic, and those users are known to visit the site regularly and purchase products and visit websites they see there. In this guide, you're going to learn how to make the most of this social media powerhouse and how to use effectively in marketing tool to get buyers traffic. Okay, before we get started with this, I want to show you some more bonuses that I want to have for you. Just let me as you have it here. Okay, I got it right here. This is what you're gonna see once you purchase the product. I'm just gonna open the code document and you will see. So before we get started, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coach to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link on the description with this product called 100K Alliance. Also, if you don't want to pay for that but you want to know more about it, you can pick it up for $12.95. This is a product related to the 100K Alliance, and this product is called the Prodigy. But now I'm gonna have myself a product related to artificial intelligence. It's gonna be for free. You can see here, this is a weird system that banks 136 per day on YouTube. And also I'm gonna have another top seller product that is gonna show you how to build your buyer list and generate $1,000 per day. Here you click there and it's gonna take you a page in Warrior Plus where you can pick it up for $0. So also wanna have another training in this page, www.albertosantos.pro. This is a training for Mosh and Nasli where they're gonna show you how you can get up to 30K. That sounds crazy, but I know many people are doing it now. And also for 100 discount on a product from the Elite Academy beta tester. I'm a member of the academy, and Dawood is the main mentor of this program, so he can get you sales on a rotator pretty much basis, like twice a month. And also you can launch a product with him and you will get 25% of the profits. Then I'm gonna have another method called the Halloween method. You can get it for $3. I know it's very accessible and it's almost for free. But now, since you want to know more about the Elite Academy, I'm gonna have 35 products all related to the Elite Academy. You can see from history what is going on and what he has been done in the past, and more training about the Ultimate Online Mastery. You can check it out if you like. Now let me come back to where I was, so you can see this main sales page. So are you struggling to get red pins and be noticed on Pinterest for gaining free buyers targeted traffic? Okay, I see that they have some income proof here. Man, that looks crazy, man. And this lady, her name is Kelly. He lives in South Africa, Cape Town. Okay, you can find something about, I don't know how many launches that she had, but I like the page she did. It's going straight to the point. He's offering a great offer. Many people wants to know about Pinterest, and the cost of this is $9. Plus you're gonna get plus 35 products for free on my on my bonus page. Just check him out. Okay, see that you will learn how to set up Pinterest quickly. You can get pinning pins, learn how the best way to engage for maximum traffic. Okay, this product is going to be related to Pinterest. If you're interested on get your traffic from Pinterest to the moon, just check this product and see you later. Bye bye.